morning, Bears. I'm Jocelyn, one of the senior BTV anchors reporting from the BTV studio. Today is Wednesday, August 28th, and thanks to all of our teachers for showing our BTV daily broadcast, where we try to make as many daily announcements. Bears, the PSAT exam is on October 9th, but you need to register by September 11th. Late registration is available September 12th through the 18th, but there is a $5 late fee. However, the test is free for juniors. Hope the new campus-wide cell phone policy has worked out well for everyone. Remember to look for the stoplight when you walk into your classrooms. It indicates whether or not you'll need your cell phones for class. Also, get to class on time, or teachers will have you use the tardy QR code. Bears, for any technology issues, ask your teacher for the QR code for a form to ask for assistance from our tech specialist. Now for yearbook information. Stop in to take your photos in the LGI before school, during lunch, or after school. Photographers will be here today and tomorrow. Don't miss out on being in the yearbook. Freshmen with fourth period lunch, remember that Connections takes place Monday through Thursday during the first 20 minutes of lunch. Connections will continue until the end of September. Make sure you attend every day to have a successful year. Bears, make plans to attend PTSA Open House and Advanced Academic Night next Wednesday from 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. If you ever wanted to make movies, Brennan Film Club is for you. The next meeting is next Wednesday, September 4th in EO28 here in the BTV room from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. For anyone wanting to join a theater production, attend the First Thespian Society Drama Club meeting in the Black Box B107 tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. It's a meet and greet to talk about all of the great things expected this year. To get on the list for the Drama Club newsletter, stop by B107. Once more, congrats to both our Varsity Bears and Varsity Lady Bears cross-country teams, ISD meet champions. Way to run Zach Miller and Kaylin Brunson, both earning first place. Follow them on X at Brennan Track for detailed results. Their next meet is this Saturday at Medina Valley. We'll have results of our Lady Bears volleyball game against Sotomayor tomorrow. Let's wish our ladies lots of luck as they travel to compete at the Smithson Valley Texas Showdown tomorrow through Saturday. BFND ladies. Finally, be at this season's first pep rally with the Put Your Game Face On theme. It's Friday at 8 a.m. in the main gym. Later that night, our Bears take on the Reagan Rattlers at Ferris Stadium at 7 p.m. BFND Bears. Well, this is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on X at BTV Bears, and also look for us on Instagram. If you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. I'm Jocelyn, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, Bears. Keep a positive mindset, get engaged in your learning, and evolve every day.
This is a BTV production.